I paid off $10,000 in debt in just 6 months using AI tools that anyone can access for free. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to harness these tools to tackle your own debt. But first, let's dive into how AI is transforming personal finance, especially in debt management. In this video, we'll cover essential AI tools that can help you create a personalized debt repayment strategy, real-life success stories that prove it works, and actionable tips to save money on interest and fees. So, whether you're drowning in credit card bills or student loans, these tools could be the game changer you need. The first AI tool you need to know about is Triero. Next, let's talk about how to integrate these AI tools into your debt repayment strategy. First, assess your current debt situation. List all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments. Then choose tools like Minchust or Narj. You need a budget to track your spending and income. These tools use AI to categorize your transactions and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Once you have a clear picture, prioritize using Tally or other consolidation tools to tackle high-interest debt first. This method not only reduces your debt faster, but also saves you money on interest. Let me introduce you to Sarah, who was struggling with $15,000 in credit card debt. She started using Zita, a budgeting app designed for couples, which utilizes AI to suggest spending habits based on their joint financial literacy in the process. Within just 6 months, Sarah and her partner were able to pay off $10,000 of their debt. They did this by setting a strict budget and automating their payments. The AI's insights helped them realize they were overspending on dining out. By reallocating that money toward debt repayment, they achieved their goal and improved their financial literacy in the process. Now, let's compare traditional debt repayment methods to AI solutions. Traditionally, people rely on financial advisors who can charge anywhere from $100 to $300 per hour. In contrast, using AI tools can cost you nothing or just a small monthly fee. For example, Trimit charges $5 a month to negotiate bills and save money, while helping with debt repayment strategies. When you look at the potential savings on interest and fees, AI solutions can save you thousands compared to traditional methods. It's clear that AI is not just a trend, it's a cost-effective way to manage your finances. Another inspiring story is from John, who had $20,000 in student loans. He used Quapital, an AI-driven app that helps users save money through automated savings rules. John set up a rule that rounded up his transactions to the nearest dollar and saved the difference toward his loan payments. In 1 year, he managed to save over $2,000 without feeling the pinch, and he applied that directly to his student loans, significantly reducing the principal and interest. This strategy allowed him to pay off his loans 2 years ahead of savings. Schedule. Here are some actionable tips on utilizing free AI tools to save money on interest and fees. First, use Truebill, which monitors your subscriptions and alerts you about unwanted charges. This can free up cash that you can use to pay down debt instead. Secondly, consider using Credit Karma to monitor your credit score and receive personalized offers that can help you refinance high-interest loans. Lastly, let's look at Michelle, who was buried under $25,000 debt from various sources, including personal loans and credit cards. She turned to Diptrox, an AI-powered platform that creates a personalized debt repayment plan. By following the suggestions, Michelle was able to consolidate her payments and focus on the highest interest debts first. Within 18 months, she paid off all her debts and saw her credit score climb by over 100 points. Her success story is a credit score climb by over 100 points. As we wrap up, remember that AI tools are here to support you on your journey to financial freedom. By leveraging these innovative solutions, you can manage your debt more effectively and save a significant amount on interest. Don't forget to set your financial goals and stay disciplined. If you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss our weekly AI finance tips. Your financial future is in your hands, and with the right tools, you can conquer that debt.